Hello guys and welcome to the channel. So you see, today we have the Canadian dollar news coming up in about 1 minute. So let's just go on our chart and set everything up. Already up with 500, 600. Our target for this scalping strategy is 2000, because for my back testing and everything, 5 something, I don't think I have it here. Let me see. So we're up with 700. Our target is 2000, between 2000 to 2800, because we just want to scalp out of the market. And beside, the market is positive, it's positive. So if we come here and let's just check here to make sure we know what we're doing. Let's just check here. See, we are 4 minutes into the trade. We can't be more than 7 minutes into this trade. We can't be more than 4 minutes. So we have just about 3 minutes left in this trade. So if we come here, you will see that the news was positive, right? The news was positive. So we're expecting the Canadian dollar. To go up since the news was positive. So let's see what we got here. We're up with 900. Our target for this particular one is between $2,500 to $2,800. But after 7 minutes, if it doesn't hit our target, then we're going to be able to close it. We're still in the range. It's a positive news, so we're expecting the Canadian dollar and JPY to go up. All right. See, we're on the move. We are on the move. Let's see how many minutes we have here. We have more 2 minutes. We have 2 minutes left. We have 2 minutes left for our trade to close. You can see that's a countdown. More 1 minute left. Come on. It's dropping. 1 minute left. Let's see. 1 minute left. if it has a drop of 3 pips here, 1 minute left, you can see just about 1 minute left, and we're closing our trade. Okay, few seconds to go. Okay, few seconds to go. Remember, I said after the 7 minute, we are not supposed to still be on this trade. Stick to your rules. That's 7 minutes, guys. We are already 7 minutes into the trade. This trade, if we stay in this trade now, we are already violating our rules. So we're getting out at this particular point in time, no matter the profit or no matter the loss we're making on this particular trade. So let's get out. Let's get out, guys. You can see we're up with 1,400. So we're getting out. 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 Plus 1,600, $1,485 because that's 11,000. So let me just check to see. 11,411 minus my balance was $9,248 at the beginning. So we just made $2,166 and we are done for the day. So what's the lesson? What's the lesson that you can learn on this particular trade? The lesson is that even with the strategy, I'm even coming up with more updates. About this strategy. So even with the strategy, sometimes when the news is really slow, because there are sometimes you want to trade this strategy and the news is actually very, very slow. Even on news events that you have that confidence that this news events is going to be very, very impactful, but it's very, very slow. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting in place other mechanisms that can allow you to see scalp your way out of the market with a profit, even when the market is still slow. I'm still working on these strategies for now. But for now, just use the same strategy as I explained to you guys. If the news is slow and none of your targets, either your buy stop or your sell stop is triggered, then get out of the market. But with the new update that I'm coming, the new update even has a different name. It's called Husky Strategy of Trading. Yeah, because of the research I'm doing on the background, the work I'm putting in place on this strategy. Once I release it, the name, I'm just giving you guys like a tip of what is happening on the background. Once I release this strategy, that has made me $2,166. It's going to be called the Husky Strategy of News Trading. So that's the new strategy that is coming out, and you guys should just wait for that one. When I'm able to come out with that strategy, you'll see what I just did, because the news event was slow. It didn't trigger either my buy stop or my sell stop, but I still came out of the market with a profit of $2,166 because I knew what I was doing, because I knew how to scalp out of the market. And remember, they say always trade, the trend is your friend. The news is positive. If we check on if we go on our chart and we check, let me show you here. You can see here's the news, and the news is positive. They forecasted the previous value was minus 2.2%. Remember, we're trading the Canadian core retail sales. The forecast value was 4.6%, and the present value is 4.7%. So it's more than the forecast value. So meaning the Canadian dollar is going to be appreciated. The Canadian dollar is going to be strong. So we are expecting the Canadian dollar to go up under normal circumstances. We are expecting the Canadian dollar to go up. If we come on our chart, this is where we got into the trade. We were into greedy. This is where we got into the trade, and we got out just about 10 pips. This is a very risky strategy. Remember, we were risking a lot on this strategy. Just about 10 pips, and we were able to make about $2,166 because it is a very, very, very risky strategy. So you need to be able to know what you are doing. So for now, just use the strategy. The old version. Use the old version the way I taught you guys. Place your buy stop and your sell stop. If none of them are triggered, get out of the trade. But with the new version that I'm coming with, which is the Husky method of trading, the Husky method of news trading, or the Husky method of Forex trading, with the new method that I'm coming up with, even if the news is slow, you'll still be able to scalp out of the market, because they say the trend is your friend. Remember, since the news is positive, even at this particular level, I still took my trade, and they were all on the trade. They were all online. They were all in line with the market trend. The news is telling me The news is telling me that the market is going to go up, right? I bought. There's no way I'm going to sell. I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel. The news is telling me that the market is going to go up. That's why I bought at that particular point in time. And if I also look at my technicals, you can see here we have a key level somewhere here, and even if we have to now extrapolate our support and resistance, we also had another key level somewhere here on the 1 minute time frame. So there was still something supporting. There will see another supporting point that made me to still buy at this point. So there are many factors that come into play to enable you scalp out of that particular position. That's why when I got in, I told you I was just going to be in for 7 minutes. And you see, I stick to my rules, because immediately after 7 minutes, you can see we started at 14:30. This is already 42. That's already 12 minutes into the trade, and I got in at exactly 7 minutes. So, moral of the story: stick to your trading rules, stick to your plan, and look out for this new strategy which should be coming out. So that is just what I've been able to come up on the video of today. The video of today was just to tell you the modifications that are coming up on the strategy. When all the modifications have been made, it will be called the Husky method of Forex trading. I'll tell you guys the reasons why it's called the Husky method of Forex trading when the version is actually released. It's still going to be totally free. So if you find anywhere on internet, YouTube, Instagram, any person selling my system or selling my strategy or selling anything, that is not me, because all my strategies are totally for free. Any person, I have a lot of impersonators. Any person impersonating me and selling you any service, I don't ask money from people to trade. I trade my own personal money. Any person asking you for money to trade, any scam, even comments that I see on my video, some people impersonating me, using my same name, my same picture and everything, that is not me, guys. Anything beside my YouTube channel and my one official Telegram group, which you can only join using this video, any other thing is a scam. Make sure you stay safe out there, guys, because there are a lot of people impersonating me out there to sell you courses, to sell you signals and all of that. I don't sell courses, I don't sell signals. I'll never ask you money I will never ask you for investments. I don't do crypto and stuff like that. So that has wrapped up to the end of the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. And if you are watching and you like this content, please, for the YouTube algorithm, leave a thumb up on this video, right? Leave a thumb up on this video. Until then, I'll see you guys on another video.